Hello everybody and welcome to this tutorial. I'm assassinghost and today I'm going to show you how to create a lightbox display in Adobe Muse CC 2018. And by lightbox what I mean is this. So you will have a website in which you want to show some images just like this. Just for an example, I have these 3 images. So when I click on the first image, I will see a more magnified version of the image. So as you can see, this is the second image and this is the third image. So using this method you can easily create lightbox display. So today I'm going to show you how to do this. So start your Adobe Muse and we're just going to start it from scratch so that you can understand better. We'll just go to file, create a new site. I'm going to leave all the default settings, but if you want you can change it as you wish. So now let's go to the home page. I'm going to close the previous website and now we are going to the home page, and just for more convenience I'm going to page and I'm going to page properties, and I'm going to increase the minimum height to at least 1000 pixels. Now click OK. So now we have a home page with a minimum height of 1000 pixels. So we want to add our lightbox slideshow. So first go to the widgets library. It's right here. It's like this 3 boxes. We can click on it and then we can go to this slideshow, and after that we can select this light box. So just drag it here and let's close this for right now. And now as you can see we have this really shabby looking lightbox widget. So I'm just going to right click on it and say clear widget content, and also right click on it and say clear all styling. If you want you can keep these captions and these previous, next and counter buttons, but I'm going to remove this all. So we can click on this little blue circle with a play button, and then we will go to the parts and I can deselect what I want, what I don't want. So I don't want the previous button, I don't want the next button, I also don't want the counter, I also don't want the captions, but I want the thumbnails. These are the thumbnails which the user will click. So we need these thumbnails. And now for adding the image, so we'll again click on this little circle with play button and we'll go to the add images, and now we'll click on this folder button. It will ask us to locate the images. I'm going to locate these images and I'm going to just select all the images which I need. In this case I'm going to need these 3 images, so I'm just going to press open. It's going to take some time to load depending on the size of your file. So we have these 3 thumbnails. You can also arrange it if you want. Or you can also just move it around or something like that, but this is really how it happens. So we got our thumbnails and we got our hero container. So at this point let's just preview it. Go to file, press preview page in browser, or directly press Ctrl or Command Shift E to preview it in browser. It's going to export it. And now we'll have all the 3 thumbnails. For some strange reason I'm not getting the second one, but anyhow I'll fix it soon. So now if we click on this first image we get the first image, we click on this second image we get the second image. So let's customize it a little bit more. So I'm just going to widgets library again, grab a lightbox, and then clear widget content, clear all styling, and now we are just going to go upwards, and I'm going to place the thumbnails. I'm going to align it to the center. Okay, and now I'm going to align this hero image to fit the screen, and now I'll just add the images. Now press open. It's going to load the images, and now let's customize it with the previous and next buttons. We already have those, so we just need to customize it. I'm just going to get rid of this counter and the caption. I don't need those. And now let's bring this previous button up right here, and also the next button up right here. And now I'm going to customize the buttons. So I'm going to go to the text, increase the size a little bit, change the color to, I guess, black, make it bold, increase the size a little bit more, no, 30, yes, perhaps 30, and then we can go and change the fill. For the fill, I will choose this color, and I think for the arrows we should select white, and for the fill we should select a dark color like this or something like this. Again, you can go ahead and customize whatever you want, but just to show you how these all work, I'm going to make a rough copy. So pretty much let's press Ctrl or Command Shift E and then preview it in the browser. So now as you can see, we have these images, and we can go click left and right to navigate, and this is how the Lightbox display work. But additionally, if you want, you can go to the settings using this circle and say auto Lightbox. It's going to auto Lightbox it whenever a user visits the page automatically. Instead of them clicking and then getting the full version, it's going to auto Lightbox it. So if you want, you can select this option too. So this is how you create Lightbox in Adobe Muse 2018. So if you like this video, please leave a like and also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check other videos related to the Adobe Muse. And also, if you want a specific video about any tutorial, or if you need any help, then be sure to comment it down below. And as always, thanks for watching.